what's up guys? Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I made a very special dinner recipe with an Asian twist for 2 meals called the Sambal Salmon with Sesame Ginger Salad. Check it out. So what I've done is I have prepared 2 meals in advance. So from those days where you're busy at work and you are rushing for time and you don't have a proper dinner at home, all you need to do is just take this out, pop the sambal on top, alright, and serve it with the sesame ginger salad. That's the thing that I like about this recipe, is that you're getting your omega-3 and 6 hit with the salmon. So you're getting your good fat. You should be eating some really good salmon twice a week. So you're making 2 meals, and that's your salmon done for the week. So give it a go, let me know how it is for you, and let's Asian meal prep.